The King's Weaver, Chapter 9. The Princess Irava. I'm no longer even a little bit hungry as I scan the Great Hall, looking to see if the meal is close to finishing so I can make my escape without offending anyone. Is what I'm seeing in this court all the animosity and games because everyone thinks I'm a man? Do people never let the women see this ugliness? But no, it was in my mother's court too. It was in her signing a marriage contract and treaty with my life as the bargain. And it's here now, in a court that might have lost one king by the current king's hand, and everyone knows it. Before I can make an exit, though, I see someone else making her way toward me, attention following her as she goes. Princess Elsira. Why, by all the gods, would she wish to speak with Caleb Aylin, mage candidate? There's a hungry gleam in her eyes. The carefully composed mask I saw earlier falters as she nears me, and color is blooming in her cheeks. Please, by all the gods, do not let her be attracted to Caleb too. I can't deal with any more of that today. But she looks more flustered than anything as she takes Valter's vacant place beside me. She smiles, a bit shyly, and it's weird to have another woman react to me this way, thinking I'm a man. Women usually are polite around me when I'm myself, but whisper wickedly behind my back. The politeness, I'm sure, is only because of my title. Up close, though, I can see the dark circles under the princess's eyes, the tired set to her mouth. She's the same age as the king at 22, but just now, she looks older. Do you mind if I sit? Can we talk? How does she expect me to answer that? I can't very well say no to her. I'm well aware of the power any child of a monarch holds. She's studying my face closely, enough that it makes me uncomfortable. I don't know what she wants from me. Is this a trap? Another test from the king? Or from Valter? Of course, Your Highness, I say, making a seated bow. I really should get up, but she grips my arm, holding me in place. Like she's afraid I'll flee? Elsira bites her lip. Do you care to take a walk along the corridor? And now she seems younger than she should, scared and hesitant, and I am desperate for an exit, though this certainly isn't what I've been hoping for. Did she come down here to rescue me? Did I look that pathetic sitting alone after Valter left? I glance at the high table, where King Toravon is now frowning at us. Because of course he's frowning. I decide in a moment. A private conversation with the princess could be a start toward understanding the king. And gods, if her brother did kill their father, maybe that's the strain I'm seeing in her, the weirdness in the princess's manner. She might be trapped in a palace with an evil brother and in need of rescuing herself. Of course, Your Highness, I say. I smile at her and watch some of her tension ease.